Let me show you how to change brightness on Windows 11 and 10. First, go to the official website of NVIDIA, download and install the NVIDIA application. It will also install the NVIDIA control panel. Now simply right-click on your desktop and go to Show More Options and then select NVIDIA Control Panel. You can also open it from the NVIDIA icon located in the lower right corner of the screen. It is called the Notification area. In the Display section, select Adjust Desktop Color Settings. Select the monitor you want to tweak. You'll find a brightness slider under the color section. From here, you can also change all of the color settings of your monitor as well. This method gives you more control over your display settings, so it's worth exploring if you have a dedicated graphics card. If you don't have any dedicated graphic card, do not worry, as I will show you another third-party application that lets you adjust your brightness and contrast of your monitor's screen. Just go to the Start menu and open Microsoft Store. Search for an app called Twinkle Tray. Open the app page and just download and install it. It will take some time. After installation, open the application or just close the Microsoft Store and look for the new icon located in Notification area. Just click on it and use the slider to adjust your monitor's brightness according to your preference. Here's a bonus tip. If you're working late or in a dark room, you can enable night light to reduce eye strain. In Windows 11 or 10, go to Settings and then select System from the list. Now go to Display Settings located at top of the list and toggle on Night Light located in Brightness and Color section. This will warm up your screen colors, making it easier on your eyes. And that's it.